Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to attach a PowerPoint file into a Word document. A great way to combine document for teaching, sharing or presenting. So let's get started. First, you have to open the Microsoft Word document, then choose blank page and go to Insert tab. Now, on the top right side, you will find the Object button. Just drop down and click on Object. Now you will see in the pop-up window, go to create from file and then go into browse, and here you have to select your presentation where you have saved it. So after selecting the presentation, just insert it, and now to make it clearable, check the box display as icon, then click OK. And that's it. Your PowerPoint is now attached to the Word document as an icon. Anyone can reading the Word file can double click the icon to open your presentation. So that's it for the video. That's how to easily attach a PowerPoint file inside a Word document. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.